The Alien Civilization Interactive Calculator helps you estimate the number of intelligent civilizations in our galaxy using the Drake equation and related analyses. Let's configure the inputs. First, select your calculation mode from the drop-down menu. You can choose Drake equation, nearest civilization distance, detection probability, required longevity for N1, Fermi paradox analysis, or parameter sensitivity. For this demo, I'm using Drake equation. Next, enter the star formation rate RE in stars per year. I'm using 7. Set the planetary fraction FP, that's 1.0. Input habitable planets NE, 0.4. Enter life emergence FL, 0.13. Set intelligence FI, also 0.13. Input communication FC, 0.2. Finally, enter civilization longevity L in years, 10,000. Click Calculate to see your results. With these inputs, the calculator shows n equals 94.64 civilizations. The analysis states that hundreds of civilizations may exist, and the Fermi paradox becomes significant. Why haven't we detected signals? The formation rate per million years is 9.46 times 10 to the third civilizations per million years. This means that based on our parameters, new communicating civilizations emerge roughly every 100 years in our galaxy. This tool helps engineers understand the statistical likelihood of extraterrestrial intelligence. Find the link in the description below.